Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're unboxing packs 7 through 9 of the 1:76 scale USS Constitution from Agora Models. Let's see what we have got. Starting with pack 7, we finally got the display stand. It includes 2 custom metal pedestals finished in a brass colored coating. They're surprisingly heavy and feel very solid, so they should provide a sturdy base once this model is complete. The other metal fittings, including the decorative columns and the gunport canopies, appears to be made from the same cast metal. They have a nice weight to them and the casting quality looks quite clean. As for the laser-cut wooden parts, they are exactly what I have come to expect from this kit. Clean cuts, sharp edges, and very little cleanup required. You will find even more laser-cut components and metal fittings in packs 8 and 9, so let's take a closer look at those as well later in this video. Now, if you are new to the channel or not familiar with Agora Models, here is a quick introduction. Agora specialized in large-scale subscription-based model kits delivered in monthly installments. This USS Constitution is particularly special because it's Agora's model's very first wooden ship model kit, introduced in 2024. I'm building this standard 12-month edition, and when it's finished, it's going to be an absolute centerpiece. At 1.2 meters long, 41 centimeters wide, and 93 centimeters tall, this is the kind of model that immediately becomes the focal point of any office, workshop, or living room. But of course, a model is only as interesting as the ship behind it. USS Constitution, better known as Old Ironsides, is one of the most famous warships in naval history. Launched in 1797, she is a 3-masted, wooden-hulled, heavy frigate of the United States Navy, and remarkably, she is still in active commission today, making her the oldest commissioned warship still afloat anywhere in the world. Her greatest fame came during the War of 1812, when she defeated and captured several British warships despite facing the world's most powerful navy. That reputation not only made her a national hero, but it also saved her from being scrapped multiple times throughout the 19th century. Today, Constitution serves as a floating museum and an active ambassador for the US Navy. Through public tours, educational programs, and ceremonial voyages, she continues to tell the story of America's early naval history, more than 2 centuries after she first set sail. Now that we have covered the history and unboxed these 3 packs, let's see how this impressive model is starting to come together.